Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside shower, outside speakers, front bedroom, living room fireplace, kitchen island, electric awning, entertainment center, dual lights over headboard, sofa bed, mirrored wardrobe doors, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, rear living area, theater seating, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, oven, cable TV hookup, dual bedroom nightstands, vanity with sink, big corner shower, stainless steel kitchen appliances, 3-burner range, bathroom cabinet with mirror, automatic levelers, ceiling fan, triple slides, walk-around queen bed, LED interior lighting, high-rise faucet, refrigerator, fire extinguisher, freestanding table with chairs, kitchen sink, end tables on either side of the sofa, shower skylight, over-the-range microwave, decorative kitchen backsplash, designer headboard, wardrobe with storage drawers, LED exterior lighting, entry grab handle, bathroom toilet, sleeps up to 4 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.